Hello everyone. Have you done this exercise in your grammar book, page 170? Let's check the answers of exercise 5 together. Look at number D first. The child wore a green shirt was running down the road. Have you noticed any mistakes here? A clause wore a green shirt is written to describe the child. You know which child was running down the road, but a relative pronoun is missing here. Which relative pronoun should be used? Relative pronouns. We've got who, whom, which. Also, we've got whose or that. Well, the answer here is both, which, or that are correct. Also, to emphasize the past continuous tense was running, you better change the word wore to was wearing. Now look at number B. The food can be given to the dog we haven't eaten. There are 2 points describing the food. One is can be given to the dog, and the other one is we haven't eaten. Which one is more likely to be used as a relative clause? Which one makes sense? Well, it should be we haven't eaten. So move the clause we haven't eaten after the noun the food. You can write which or that. At the beginning of this relative clause, or it is optional because it is used as an object. The food we haven't eaten can be given to the dog. Look at number H. I'm sorry, I lost the book you lent to me. The relative clause you lent it to me is used. You can put which or that after the noun described the book. Or it is optional, but you should not write the noun it because it is repeated. Look at number I. There are lots of students in my school who is interested in volunteer work. The relative pronoun who stands for the noun phrase lots of students in my school. So the verb should be are a plural verb instead, but not is. Let's go to number C. Nigel, that is a friend of my brother, has a new computer. This is a non-defining relative clause. The relative clause, that is a friend of my brother, is not necessary because you know who has a new computer. This is Nigel. So Nigel is my brother's friend is an additional information. The relative pronoun should not be that, It should be who. Look at number J. My school, that was founded in 1958, is one of the best in Hong Kong. The same mistake in this sentence, right? You should use which for the relative pronoun, but not that. Now let's go to our last question, number E. My friend Pamela, I've known her for many years, is getting married. The relative pronoun is I've known her for many years. This information is additional, and pay attention to the object pronoun her is used to replace Pamela. When we write a non-defining relative clause, we have to use a relative pronoun. So at the beginning of this clause, we have to add home and cancel the object pronoun here. So these are the correct answers.